Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, testing, testing. I'm going to get started in a second. Just dealing with some Monday technical issues, as always. Okay, let's give this a try. I don't know what's going on this morning. I had to change my setup a little bit, and I've broken everything. Well, I guess this is what we're gonna do. But at least I got background music now. All right, well, what are we doing today? I don't know. I made an utter mess of my computer, so that's not good. But I did spend a good chunk of this morning trying to get some background music going. And I guess we'll give this a try and see. Although I did learn a fun little thing that if you capture the window for the for Spotify and then you shrink it or move it, the whole thing breaks. So I'll have to fix this later. I'm also trying to deal with another issue on my computer. I have a whole new setup right now, so I'm trying to like figure out how all this is going to work, and right now I sort of hate it, so I'm going to have to come back. I'm going to have to come back to this another time. Well, all right, let's see what we can get going. I don't know. This Monday's been already off to a amazing start because my development server went down too. So all right, let's log in here, and of course this isn't going to work because why would that actually work? Oops, I do not want to do that. Do not allow. Stop. Oh man, I have messed up a lot of things right now. This is not cool. Let me see if I have this in Chrome. Sorry. Let me do this real quick. I'm going to be right back. Let me just see if I can get this all set up. Testing. There we go. All right, maybe my mic is working. All right, and now is my mic working? All right. Let's see. Let's get back into this and see if I can actually do anything today. All right. My other Mac is don't allow. Computer's restarted with a problem. Got that. Cool, cool. I don't know why my computer is just messed up today. It's like nothing wants to work. I'm just on I'm just on my other computer trying to figure out where Docker is, why it's not loading, questioning my life choices at the moment here. Activity monitor. I think one of the problems that I have, wow, activity monitor isn't even, oh, there we go. I think one of the other problems I have is I have the Synology force quit. Wait, let me see if it's working yet. I had this like Synology sync thing that I was using on my my folder that has all my Docker stuff in it, and I think Docker hates that. Force quit. I'm just trying to get out of these Synology things. Force quit. All right, that should have killed Synology. Nope, it came right back. Oh, that's not, I don't want that one. Oh no, okay. Hopefully that didn't just break. I'm using another thing called Synergy now to switch my mouse between my PC and, all right, this is just a hot mess. All right, this is not gonna work yet because I just screwed this up. Parsec. Well, this is Monday. And now for some weird reason I hear myself, which is all right, there we go. I think I just had sound coming back through something. I don't even know. What I needed to do was I needed to get oh my God, what is going on today? Immersive mode on. Whoa, that is super weird. It's not like updating the display here, but I can see it on my other computer next to me because that monitor is on. All right. Here we go. Let's try this again. I want Synergy. And let me fix this so that, yay, now I can move back over here with the magic invisible mouse. And then let's close you out. So this Synergy app lets me just share my mouse between my computer. If you're tuning in, I'm having just a really not great Monday because nothing is working on my computers today. And all this because I decided to change out my monitor and it screwed up basically everything because this monitor has been a little bit finicky. All right, the other thing I need to figure out at some point is I don't know why Coder decides to stop. Whoa, that database went right down. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I think I know what happened. That's not good. I think the problem of why this will not restart is because the Synology sync has corrupted it. And now the database is completely gone. And then Coder went down with it. Huh. That's not good. Docker compose down. All right. Docker compose up. All right. The database looks like it seemed to have gone back up. Whew. All right. That was, well, for you guys, it was 45 minutes of my life I'll not get back, but for anyone else, that was just painful. I've been up since like 5 o'clock trying to fix all this stuff, so this is not a fun day. All right. I think we can actually get some work done now. However weird that might be. Where was I? Jeez. With the prompt P2, let's start this up. All right, let's see if I can get my dev environment up or something working. It would be nice to be productive. Also, I guess it's, I'll try to increase the screen a little bit here. I think part of the problem also is like I had such a low resolution before. So what I bought an even wider ultra wide monitor. Is this not working now? No, it says it's running. The workspace is unhealthy. Major version is available. What crashed? An IO error. Is it hosting anything? Nope. Bad gateway. Cool. Let's stop it and restart it. Anyways, I got an ultra wide monitor, but one that like it's one of those like 5K, 2K monitors, so I can split the monitor in half. And my goal was to basically have one side be the computer that controlled everything, and the side that you're seeing be the computer that I stream everything from. But nothing is working today. Nothing is working. So that's weird and problematic. It's fine. If I can't get this up and running, then what I'll do is in a second I'm just going to switch over to I'll just go back to Cigar Smuggler or something, because there's no reason to watch me fumble through this hot mess. And it's fine. If I can't get this up and running. No. Mute. I don't want to hear you. I'm just going to switch over to. Jeez. I was trying to pull up another monitor so I can see what. At least I can get some progress on the stream. Okay. Close. I'm just on my Mac right now, trying to figure out why this doesn't want to work. Chrome. Look at this. It went down again. Error. Fetching workspace resource. Again. Get workspace build data to provision. Yeah. I think this database got screwed up. Huh. That's not good. Huh. I wonder how I can fix this. Actually, let me go back into Chrome for a second here, and let's see. Can I still get to my templates? All right, so it's not... It's just all these projects are broken. So I wonder if Access Your Database says database is fine. But you're clearly not fine. All right, I have one other idea for this, and then I'm going to move on because this is not great. I'll just do this so you guys can at least see whatever it is I'm debugging here. All right, so I don't know why. Yep, Docker locked up again. Oh man, I have really broken this thing. But all is not lost because well, I don't know why I went to this computer. Encoder, workspace. Luckily, I have everything backed up. So what I actually want to do is, let me do this. Let's new terminal with this folder. Oops, ls git status. I don't remember what I was actually working on, so you know what? I think I'm just going to call this stream because I need to, clearly something is broken on this computer. I need to go back through and fix this, and this is not going to happen today. So I'll spend my day trying to get my shit together, and then let's pick this up tomorrow. Sorry about that. That was not fun. But anyways, thanks for watching, and let's try this again tomorrow when everything actually works.